guys, good morning. So the purpose of this video is I'm selling my dog. Her name is Sansa. She's a 7-month-old mixed Shih Tzu. Napo din siya kuan guys. Napo din siya lahi nga pagka-possum. Familiar with possum. So I think dito ni nakuha na iyang simod. Iyang simod ni Taz. So by the way, the reason for selling is di na ko ka-afford sa yung lifestyle, guys. Sige lang chicken. Nasya mo kaon kayong dog food. Sige lang chicken. And then, mahal kayang treats, guys. Then, di na ko tinggan sa amahan, guys. Sige kong check out sa Shopee. Or mas nilibo dyan yung treats, guys. And then, so, mauto siya, guys. Kanang if interested mo, PM lang. Sabot lang ta sa price. Take note, negotiable siya. So, by the way, I will not be entertaining inquiries through comments. PM lang ta. Okay? Take note, negotiable siya, guys. And, yeah. Cute na siya, guys, diba? Cute na siya, guys. Behavior po niya siya, guys, but mao lagi the main reason that nga ako siyang ibaligya is mauto din ako afford sa yung lifestyle. And oh, by the way, guys, nadiri siya yung fun fact. She loves she loves eating goat poop, especially those newly pooped. That's her favorite because I think the smell, the smell is, I think, very it's very good for her. Yeah, especially the new one. And then so yeah, may pagka ano na siya, may pagka organic ang trip. So na guys, no? Cute naman siya, guys. Say hi to the camera, baby. Smell to the camera, kaya paliton ka. So, mana siya, guys. Please, take care of my baby to the soon future for parents niya. Okay? Bye-bye, guys. That's it.